I'm Don.
And I'm Phil.
And together we're known as the Wetzel's Do-It-Yourself Dudes. And here's what you're going to see on this episode. On this episode, you'll need
a replacement Baker's Pride oven door and a flathead screwdriver.
On this episode, we're going to show you how to replace an oven door because some staff members allow the oven door to bounce open like this. Over time, the door rivets that you cannot see separate the door from the door frame, creating a gap. This will make the door fall off eventually. There are 4 screws that hold the door to the door frame. First, you need to remove the 2 inner screws. First, remove one of the inner screws. Then remove the other inner screw. Next, loosen, but do not remove, the left outside screw. Lastly, loosen the right outside screw, but do not remove. During this next process, when we remove the door, these washers are going to fall off, so be careful not to lose them. Next, we're going to slide the 2 outside screws inward and remove the door. The washers will fall off, but be careful not to lose them. During the removal of the door, make sure these collar washers are not lost because they have to go back into the door frame, like this. When installing the new oven door already has on one side 2 screws that are already locked. Leave that side locked. Go find the 2 washers from the old oven door because the new oven door does not come with new washers. These 2 washers have various thicknesses. One is thin and one is thick. The thinnest washer goes against the oven door on the oven door shaft. When installing the new oven door, make sure the locking screw on the new oven door on the other side has been removed and the sliding screw is loose so we can slide the shaft in and out. Go find those 2 washers from the old door and place them on the new door shaft. This is going to take 2 people to install this door now. When installing the new door, make sure the new door frame goes underneath the oven frame. Take the locked shaft side of the new door and install it into the collar washer. On this step, we have to now place the other side of the oven door into the oven frame. To do this, we have to take the sliding screw, pull the shaft out a little bit, place those washers on this side of the door, move the door in, and push the sliding screw into the collar washer. And then we're going to have to tighten all the screws involved. After tightening all 4 screws on the new door, you're finished. Close the door.
Thanks for watching.
Now get out there and do it yourselves!